In today's video, I will walk you through how to find a crypto white paper on CoinMarketCap. To find a cryptocurrency's official white paper on CoinMarketCap, start by searching for the cryptocurrency you want to review. Use the search bar at the top right of the page and enter the name or ticker symbol of the crypto asset. From the search results, select the correct cryptocurrency to open its main overview page. Once you are on the cryptocurrency profile page, locate the information panel. On a desktop browser, this section is found on the left-hand side of the page. On a mobile device, scroll below the main price and market capitalization information to find the available links and details. In the information panel, look for a link or button labeled White Paper. This link is usually placed near the website link or directly below it. When you find the White Paper button, click it. CoinMarketCap will open the project's official white paper in a new browser tab. The document may open as a PDF file or as a documentation page. If the white paper button is not visible, use the available information on the same cryptocurrency page to locate the documentation. First, check the official website link in the information panel. Click the website link and review the project's main page. Look through the website header or footer menu for links labeled white paper, docs, research, or light paper. If the white paper is still not available, return to the cryptocurrency profile page and locate the About section. Scroll down below the main price chart until you find the About section for the selected coin. Review the information provided in this section. The project description may include links to technical documentation, roadmap details, or other official resources provided by the team. When looking for a cryptocurrency white paper, use the verified links available on CoinMarketCap or the project's official website. Avoid using white paper files from unrelated sources or unverified links. By following these steps, you can locate the official white paper link from a cryptocurrency's CoinMarketCap profile page and access the project documentation directly. Thank you for watching.